Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on your iPad. First, head to the App Store and search for Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Download and install the game, making sure you have at least 8 GB of free storage. Once installed, launch the app and either log in with your existing Activision account or easily create a new one to begin your journey. To ensure a great experience, your iPad should have an A12 Bionic chip or newer. Also, confirm your device is running iOS 16.0 or a later version. A strong, stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is absolutely essential for smooth, uninterrupted gameplay and to avoid frustrating lag during intense matches. Mastering the controls is key to success. Dive into the settings menu to customize your touch layout, adjusting button sizes and positions to fit your playstyle. For a more traditional feel, you can connect a compatible Bluetooth controller. Spend some time in the training modes to get comfortable with movement, aiming, and weapon handling before jumping into live matches. To optimize your Warzone mobile experience, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Experiment with the in-game graphics settings. Finding the right balance between visual quality and smooth performance is crucial. Finally, ensure your iPad is well charged or connected to power, especially during extended play sessions, to prevent unexpected interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.